Welcome back to another extra. And in this one, we're going to talk about journal reports. The other day for the early adopters, I did a My First Journal video. Try to include the link down below. So here we have the same demo model we used there, and we're going to create a report. So when you're on the model, if you go over to your browser and select F8, it will bring up the Generate Documentation dialog box. And then Sparx has a CAN system template called Element Journal. So what we're going to do here is select that. We'll go ahead and step on this one. It's already in our target path, and we're going to hit Generate, and we're going to look at it. So this is simply everything that's in this package, the elements that are there. You can see activity 1, activity 2, and then the report just simply puts journal behind it. We're going to choose the package again that we want to report on. We're going to hit function key 8. It's going to bring up the Generate Documentation dialog box that you see here, and we see the template that we used. If you hit open, you cannot edit a Sparx system template. You can't edit this, but you can see how it is formed, and you can reuse the template to customize it any way that you want. And you learn that in the custom report video, and I'll include the link. Now, I know I'm going to get the question, can I access this table where the journals are via Sparx? And the answer is yes, but you can't do anything with it. So let's go to Start. Let's go to Search. We're going to go down to a custom SQL that I created, my searches, and I simply called it Journals. Let's go ahead and look at the SQL. So the journals are stored in the T_document table. So let's just go ahead and run this. There you go. You see a lot of documents in this particular demo file. And the journals in particular are stored under a doc type. So if we just start typing J and E for entry, and maybe even one more because I just want J entry. These are all of the journal entries for this demonstration file. And if you're looking for the journal entry, let's just say this one, for this element, start at package, blah, 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 you can't see that content anywhere in here. And the reason for that is it is stored in the, let me move over a little bit more, the bin content column. And Sparx doesn't even show it to you. It's binary. It's a blob, B-L-O-B. And it doesn't even show it to you. And even if it did, I do not recommend going into your SQL Studio and attempting to edit this particular column. All right. It's not a good idea. Use Sparx EA's API if you know how to do that, or just simply manage the data for the element in the journal field that's provided for you. All right. Let's keep this video short as possible, but really quick. Just if you want to create your own custom journal report, again, I'll include the link to the video. Create a template, go down here, copy template, go down here, choose the journal entry element to copy from, give it a name, and it will, I'm just going to type anything in here because I'm not going to use it. And then it will build a template from that, and then allows you to choose the fields, add other things in, like if you wanted to go past this opening statement here, insert field. These are all the fields you can enter. Most likely I would enter notes. I already have the name, notes, and I would do that for anything else. Comments, there's nothing in there, but what you can do is you can right click in here. There's one field available. You can actually limit, put a value in here and limit the amount of entries you want to see. Let's say I just want to see the first 5. I'm a project manager and I just want to scan the journal in this project and see this first 5. you could certainly do that. I'm going to cancel out. I'm going to backspace because I don't want a carriage return there. And then look through this and edit it any way you want. Add content into the report so that when you run it, it looks and feels the way you want. You go down here and you can change the content. The default is Times New Roman in this particular case. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can do all of those other things to create a report. Anyway, that's enough of that. I've talked too much. So I hope this video was helpful for you on Journal. It is a very underused feature in Sparx. And I really want people to understand when you're creating or modeling and you're starting a project, you're starting a model, a package, journal. Do your to-dos, your action items, dump your thoughts in the journal before you start writing into the notes and the real intelligence that you're going to use when you're doing your reporting. So again, thanks for watching. And until that next episode, happy modeling.